Hello students, so we are here with our topic number 4, that is multiplication. Hope you are learning the tables, that as I have told you to learn the tables properly, because in multiplication before starting you should learn the tables properly. So let's start. What is multiplication? It is all based on tables. So to do multiplication you have to learn tables. So first topic in multiplication is without carrying the normal multiplication, as we did in addition without carrying addition, the same thing without carrying in multiplication. Remember, always start from ones place. From the ones place you have to start multiplying the digit, because while carry forward you have to carry forward on the next digit, that is tens, or on your, if you are on tens then hundreds, you have to carry the digits. So we start from ones. So now example number 1, multiply 343 by 2. It is said that multiply 343 by 2. You have to multiply the number 343 by 2. So we will write hundreds, tens, ones below it. First what we will the smaller digit is used to multiply the bigger number, that is 343 multiply by 2. When it is the word written after by is multiplied, which we write near the sign multiplication, is the digit after the by which is given. See, like 343 by 2 multiplied by 2, so by, after by the number is 2, so 343 multiply by 2 we have written. So starting from ones, 3 twos are, so 3 twos are 6, so 6 we have written. 2 fours are 8, so 8 we have written. Again 2 threes are 6, so we haven't done a carry anything, it's just a normal multiplication. 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 3 twos are 2 threes are 6, so 686. So the product is 686. The product is 686. Now you will ask students that what is product? What is product? The product is the answer of the multiplication. Now, like when we after adding the answer which come, we call it sum. Like the same thing, when we multiply a digit, the answer come, we call it as a product, the answer of Now we have taken the second example, that is 323 multiply by 3. Hundreds, tens, ones. Now 323 multiply by 3. So 323 multiply by 3, that is 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6, again 3 threes are 9. So the product is 969. You have to. So the product is 969. Now, hope you have understood till here. Now we next with carry. 252 by 2. 101. So now 252 by 2, that means you have to multiply 252 by 2. You have to do 100 times once. 252 multiply by 2. So let's start. 2 twos are 4, 5 twos are 10. Now there are 2 digits, so you cannot write 2 digit under a 1 digit. So the extra digit, or the number digit and 10 at tens place will be carry forward to the next digit. So answer came, that is 10. So at ones place it was 0, and at tens place it was 1. So we have carried the 1 place digit 1 on the next digit, that is 1 here. So 2 twos are 4 again. So our answer is 504. We had carried 1 over here, so it is with carrying. Hope you have understood this. Now moving on to 309 by 4. In this there is one point before explaining this. Remember, that when we multiply any digit with 0, answer will be 0. Like you multiply 0 by 2, 0 into 2, that is 0. So here it is 309 divided by multiply by 4. So 100 tens ones, 309 by 4. Now 4 nines are. Now uh, see what is 4 nines are. 4 nines is 36. So what I told you, at ones place what will be? At ones place the number is 6. So 6 we have written here, but on tens place it is 3. So we had given it to the next digit, that tens place we have written 3, because the 36 we cannot write here, so we had carried it to tens place. Now the next situation is 4 into 4. So 4 zeros are 4 0. So 0 plus 3, that is 3. 4 threes are 12. So we here at 100 place we have written 2, and at thousands place we have written 1, because there is no extra number. So last digit you have to write it like this. If there is an extra, it will be have been 1000, then we have carried this over to the 1000, but it is not there, so we have written 1 2 3 6. Okay students, in the next video I will give you some questions regarding multiplication. Till then, please learn the tables properly, because in multiplication without tables you will not be able to solve the questions. So today's homework is learn tables.